Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 LTS version on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.6 LTS version. Select it, then select the operating system. See, you don't have Linux Mint, but we can select the Ubuntu. Why? Open terminal, more /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select the Ubuntu version 24.04. Then see, once you selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install MySQL Server 8.4.6 on Linux Mint 22. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.6 tar file. We have to untar it. Control it, tar -xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See, here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Control L, but before installing them, we install following dependencies: sudo apt install MySQL -macapp -ipadic -utf8 lib ao-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. This typo. See, both are already near versions. Okay, control A. Now install MySQL Server 8.4.6. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. What this command will do? This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.6. Now provide the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Last one doesn't match. Okay, provide the same. See, this test should fail. Ignore these errors. Okay, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server. Control it. Sudo systemctl. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Qt. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.6. You can also verify the version number by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Show databases. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. Use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. It will be empty. See, we don't have any tables. So let us create table. Create table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. See, we don't have, see, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created, let us verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session which is connected by using root account. Then we will connect with this new user. Fit sudo mysql hyphen username is David hyphen p. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, you have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.6 on Linux Mint 22. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify the same. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service stopped. So we can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL hyphen root hyphen p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the same. See, MySQL server is running. Quit Control L. Now restart MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the same. See, we have restarted MySQL server 1 second ago. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.6. So remove them to clear the space. rm star.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql. Then press the tab to autofill enter tar file name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.